Save as PDFA in Word. In this workshop, I'll take you through the steps of saving a Word document in PDFA format. What's PDFA? It's a particular type of PDF that's optimized for long-term archiving. So if you have a very special document, say your dissertation or thesis, and you want to make sure it can still be opened years from now, PDFA might be the right format. Now I'll be using Word from Microsoft 365. Many academic institutions offer students free access to Microsoft 365. Unfortunately, at the time of making this video, Apple Pages, Google Docs, and the online and mobile versions of Word can't save as PDFA, just the Microsoft 365 version of Word. What you're going to do to start off is open up your document in Word, select File, Save As. Now if your document is in OneDrive, it'll say Save a Copy. Select More Options, and in Save As Type, from the drop-down menu, select PDF. Select Options, and here place a check in the box that says PDFA Compliant. Select OK. Ensure that you've selected the folder where you want to save your PDF document, and select Save. The PDF document will be created. So those are the steps of saving a Word document in PDFA format. If you need more help, contact your institution's library or information technology department.